Hello, my name is Yannis Andreou. Today we are going to evaluate the most important metrics for a 60-unit apartment building construction mortgage in Coquitlam. The fair market value is 15.5 million. The mortgage balance 11,625,000. The NOI after debt service $168,461. The capitalization rate 4.27%. The gross rent multiplier 9.36. And the debt service coverage ratio 1.34 with an interest rate of 2.95%. For further information, feel free to contact me directly. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.